Holy shit.
Y'all good on that?
I'll go slow.
That's a foot deep.
I got a foot with a rim space.
Yeah, but not your feet. Bro, no.
Go farther left?
That's all no.
Yeah. That's pretty deep. Well, he's already through. I'm just gonna go straight through the middle nice and slow.
Shut the fuck up, Carl!
Yeah, I'm glad I don't have the stock tires on this anymore. There's no way they'd be able to do this shit.
No. I'm glad I fucking swapped to knobbies.
But now you're like, oh dude, I'll just take the supermoto tires out. We'll be okay.
Yeah, it's insane how much more grip you have with more throttle in a turn on dirt. It's fucking stupid.
It doesn't make sense.
No, I don't understand. Like, if I started on a dirt bike when I was a kid, it'd make sense.
Oh yeah.
This shit doesn't make sense.
I've never done dirt bikes. I did four-wheelers, so this is like a whole... I'm starting from scratch.
Yeah, me too. I mean, I've got a little bit of off-road experience, not a lot. And I still fucking grab front brake.
I tried to slash you, but then I realized how deep it was, and that was not a good idea.
And I was pretty close to you, so you wouldn't have gotten me anyway.
Yeah. Yeah, I just spin. I don't actually do wheelies on dirt.
Well, I don't think you have the. I don't know if it's like if you have enough torque to get you past the fucking dirt to get the wheel up. You know what I mean?
I just think it's the whole weight and everything of it.
Probably.
Oh my god.
Oh. I didn't do that on purpose.
I went all in my mouth.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to.
I got Zika now.
Oh. I heard the audio of the splash. I was like, oh shit.
Oh, the whole inside of my bike is up.
It's because it was up.
Yeah.
This is going to be a great fucking screenshot, though.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, me covered in mud. Oh, yeah. Note to self, don't ride that close to you.
You totally could have hit that and gotten me.
Well, it wasn't on purpose, so I'm not, like, vengeful.
I mean, yeah.
I knew it wasn't. I mean, it was part of OFFROAD. I just... Oh, shit.
Ooh, shit.
We're good. I flew over it, so...
I'm glad you saw it. I didn't.
I watched it stand up. I'm like, where's it standing up?
Oh, yeah, that makes sense.
There's a horse up there. Alright. Had to be quiet. Yep.
Is he just turning it off?
Yeah.
Yep.
So you don't scare the horse. Yep.
Yeah.
Oh, well now my shit's covered in so much mud, my visor won't drop back up.
I splashed him like by accident. He was right behind me like on one of the last fucking mud sections. And I fucking goosed it. Fucking, it splashed him so bad.
Is that what I covered?
Yeah.
Well, I had this down, and then all of a sudden it was just fucking... No problem.
Brought a snack along for the ride, didn't he? He brought a snack along for the ride. You too. That was cool.
Okay?
Yeah.
I should start my GoPro back up. There we go. I'll do it for the film. Oh, stop. This grass is making it weird.
Yeah, the grass is a little bit slick.
Oh no.
You got it. Jesus.
Alright, we made it.
I didn't.
Oh really? You stuck?
No, I fell.
Oh, did you really fall?
Yeah,
Oh no.
that's awesome.
You good?
Yeah. Fucking bike dug in.
Oh, Mike good?
Yeah. It's a dirt bike.
Just walk it out.
Yeah. We're good. We're good.
That's sweet.
Can I have you put my phone in your bag?
Yeah. Show it in there. Mine's in my pocket. Oh yeah, ain't nothing wrong. A little muddy. Put it wherever you want.
Top section. Alright, we're good. Yeah, the front end just dug.
Oh, and it just kicked in?
Yep.
Not by much though. Tree branch. Just get soupy right away, so. Oh, he's sunk it.
You stuck? Oh shit.
I'm gonna get out. I might walk it through. Wait for me.
You got it.
Oh.
Damn, that's some muddy shit.
Yeah, I did too. But I also have very wide tires, so I think that helps. That was a lot easier for me to go through it, though. Yeah. There's some deep water. How deep?
That looks pretty deep. I definitely have fans on this though.
Yeah, I don't.
I can hear him. Holy shit.
I'll go slow.
That's a foot deep.
I got a foot with a rim space.
Yeah, but not your feet. Bro, no.
Go farther left?
That's all no.
Yeah. That's pretty deep.
That's like your foot pegs.
Yeah.
Not yours, his. That's like the depth of your foot pegs. Yeah.
Oh, he's already through.
You gonna try it?
I'm just gonna go straight through the middle, nice and slow.
Oh my god. I think slow is not the right way to do it.
I'm not gonna make that.
Yeah!
Oh, it's hot. I gotta shut it off. Ah. Just go slow and then power through.
This is such a bad plan.
Did it look cool at least? Just do what I did.
Yeah. God, that's fucking
Your
deep.
feet are gonna get wet. So.
No shit. Second gear.
Here, hold on. Oh yeah. That wasn't that bad if you didn't fold the clutch in for that uphill. Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, my foot's stuck. Quicksand. That makes sense. I wasn't in gear.
Yeah, me too.
You were doing the same thing?
Yeah, I was in neutral. I was like, why am I not going anywhere?
I know, but I was in false neutral. Yeah, last time I came through here, I got stuck in there. Alright. I don't know how long I've been recording. Gotta do a sick outro, right? Sick outro! Oh, geez. I wish I was behind you for that. That was shit.
That was a fifth gear. Here, slow down a little bit. I'll do it again.
Nice.